Hello, good afternoon. I'm going to walk you through what you need to do in order to grade. So as you can see up here in the top right corner, I am logged in as you. And you can see right here in the center where it says needs grading. And then I'm going to click here on where it says POA African American History. So it's going to take me up here to this box where I see these multiple lines. I'm going to click there. And it's going to take me to the grade book. Now I can also come back out. And if I look in this view, I'm going to have needs grading right here. So I can go into needs grading, and this will give me a list of everything that needs to be graded. So what I can do, I can click on here. The post is going to come here. I'm going to type feedback into this box. I'm going to put a score right here. I'm going to put the score up here, and I'm going to click submit grade. That's one way to do it. Okay? The other thing that I can do, if I back out of here, if I go into the course, and I go to the grade book, I have my students here, okay, and it looks like you've already started grading because this didn't look like this a minute ago. So you're going to go and you're going to click on this box, and you're going to be able to grade, and right in here you're going to be able to put a grade and any feedback, and then make sure you submit the score. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you and best wishes.